Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Bogwalk Gorge in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Now this is one of the most scenic places you can drive through in Jamaica. It has a really nice view and you'll see it as we drive through. So today we're going to talk about some of the most scenic places you can drive through in Jamaica. And if you guys have any other places that we don't discuss, just leave a comment in the section below and we'll make a video driving through there, because Jamaica really is a very beautiful country and we have some very nice views and places you can drive through in Jamaica. So this is just one. Another one is Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. Very nice. We have videos up of it. You can check it out on the channel. Okay, Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. Very nice. And then you have Fern Gully in St. Anne, just as you enter in Ocho Rios. Now, that's another one, and those are very popular spots, but very underutilized. For example, Holland Bamboo should be a major tourist place where you can stop. You should have restaurants there where you can eat, you can take pictures. It should be, or I should say, more could be done with that location. A lot more. And then Fern Gully is right as you enter Ocho Rios on the north coast. Well, right as you enter Ocho Rios, but it's when you come through the main road. The north coast is more the northern coastal highway end. Even Fern Gully, very nice spot. It's so relaxing. They should have more, even a tour you can take where you can take pictures, and you have one or two spots where you can stop, but so much more can be done with that location. And then when you're driving on these highways, you have such a nice view. When you're on the Edward Siaga Highway or Highway 2000 north-south leg that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios, when you go through the Miami Bay Toll Plaza and you are going down the hill now into Miami Bay, you have a very nice view of the north coast of Jamaica. Very nice view. And then when the southern coastal highway is finished, you have some spots when you're driving on that road, such a nice view of the coast. That's more the eastern part of Jamaica. Very nice view, I must say. So guys, if you have any other areas that have very nice views that you can drive through and see, let us know. We'll be happy to make the videos and put them up. So on the right now, this is the Bogwalk Gorge. On the right is the Rio Cobra River, and on the left is the hill. So that's how we get the gorge. And then straight ahead now is Flat Bridge, and this is the most popular bridge in Jamaica. It's been around from the 16th century, and it still stands till this day. It's a single lane bridge. When this bridge was built, they didn't even have cars. There are so many bridges in Jamaica that need to be repaired. So many. And those bridges were built more recent than this one. And that one was built from the 16th century and it still stands. I don't think it has ever been a case. I mean, the bridge has been blocked many times because you see how small it is, and unfortunately cars have gone over the edge, but That bridge still stands. So now we're on the other side of the gorge, so the Rio Cobra is on the left and the hill is on the right. Oh, another very nice driving or very nice scenic place is when you're coming over Spur Tree Hill and you're going down the hill and you can see St. Elizabeth. Very nice view.